Oh my god, the mask is so big for me. Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here with these sheet masks, which I'm really excited to try. And one is the tea tree one, other one is the rose one. So it's been a long time since I did a product review, and today I thought that I need some refreshment on my skin, so why not try this out and do a review for you guys. So this one is from the brand It's Skin. The time I bought this, I was not sure about the brand, but I came back home and I saw that it is available on Nykaa. But I did not buy it from Nykaa though. I bought it from a New Use store in Acropolis Mall. I saw these and I really got excited and I wanted to try it. These masks are a one-time use mask and they cost 100 bucks. I really love the packaging. It looks matte everywhere else except for the tea tree leaves. And then everything else is written in Korean, and then the brand name is mentioned, It's Skin. And on the other side, everything else is mentioned in Korean, and then the description and the ingredients and everything else is mentioned here. I really don't know which one to try today, whether to try the rose one or the tea tree one. Tea tree one is for balance and the rose one is for moisture and vitality. Tea tree one says that the cushion pulp sheet includes nutrition from fresh and natural ingredients, giving its own nourishment to the skin as well as solving skin problems. The fresh mask tea tree balances skin's moisture level with a feeling of refreshment. And the rose one says that the fresh mask rose delivers fresh moisture and a glowing rosy complexion to dry skin. I think I need a little bit of refreshment because last night was really hectic for me. I was editing a vlog. Oh, by the way, I did a vlog on completion of my 300 subscribers, yay! And I already put it up on my channel. It's ready, and if you haven't watched it yet, do watch it. I enjoyed it thoroughly, and I'll link it over here. So I was editing this vlog, and then I was trying to compress it from Adobe Premiere Pro to a normal video so that I could upload it in YouTube, but that process was taking such a long time, so I went to sleep at 1:30 at night, and then I had to wake up 7 o'clock in the morning, so I did not have enough sleep. I need to sleep for a little bit longer, though I took a nap today for half an hour and I feel a little bit refreshed, but still I need refreshment here. So I'm going to try the tea tree one. So the directions are: after washing the face, apply toner to prepare the next step of skincare. I don't apply toner because every toner I tried, it just broke me out. So I don't use toners. Open the pouch, take out the mask and evenly place it on the face except for the skin around the eyes and mouth. Remove the sheet after 15-20 minutes and gently pat for better absorption. Comment down below if you want me to do a review on the rose one as well, and I'm gonna do it for you guys. So here is a close-up of my face before. Trying on the mask. Struggle. Not really. Okay, there's a folded sheet and it's all wet. Obviously. Oh my god, the water is literally dripping off the mask. What? Oh, it smells so good. So which one is the front and which one is the back? The nose area also has a flap, so I think this one is the front and then this one is the back. I just washed my face with plain water and patted it dry. I did not use any toner. I'm just gonna put it. It's cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, the mask is so big for me. Trying to place it firmly everywhere, just trying to pat it down so that it hugs my skin. But this won't stay, it keeps falling. That looks so pretty! Well, the mask doesn't really hug my skin that well because it's way too big for my face. I look ridiculous. So now I wait for 20 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so guys, 20 minutes is up. I'm gonna remove this mask right now. I was listening to some meditation Zen music for 10 minutes and that really calmed me down so much. So it says for better absorption, just pat it on your skin. The residue is like a little slimy and it's sitting right on top of my skin, so I'm just gonna pat it and let it absorb. There's a lot of product left inside the packet, like the water residue of it, so I'm gonna take it out and pat it on my skin. Why waste any bit of it? I personally feel a lot more refreshed. I have to see my skin up close to check if my skin feels the same. So I'm gonna zoom in right now and let you guys see my skin. Looking at the mirror up close, I definitely feel my skin looks more refreshed. It not only does it feel more refreshed, it looks refreshed as well. My skin looks glowy, it feels refreshed and moisturized, it doesn't feel dry at all, and I love the way how it looks. I'm pretty impressed with this. Will I buy it again? Yes, of course I'm gonna buy it again because I really liked the product. Love the way how it made my skin look. So if you want me to do a review on the rose one, do comment down below and I'm gonna do it for you. If you want me to try any other product, just comment down below which product you want me to try and I'll try my level best to try it. How many times did I say try? So we reached the end of the video, and if you want me to do more product reviews, please give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.